Um, oh, first one, write down all the possible values of n. It could be 1, 0, -1, -2. Those are all the possible values, right?
0, -1, -2. Yeah, they're the integer values, and it can't be -3 because it's not included. Those all look the same. Let's just try the one underneath it.
All right. -1, 0, 1, 2, 3.
And one underneath that.
3, 2, 1, 0, 1, -1, -2.
Yeah, great. You've got it. Oh, okay. How about these?
Could be -1, 0, and 1.
0 and 1. Yes, and that's because, yeah, if you bring the two together, this one down here is kind of similar. We'll only do it if we need to. Okay, so what is the first one, do you know?
X equals larger than 3. Oh, it would be, smaller than 3. So it would be any number below 3. Right?
Yeah, and how do you represent that on a number line?
I'm not sure.
So it's circle over 3. It's less than 3, and so arrow pointing down, less than 3.
All right.
So how about this one down here?
Be anything above -2. Yeah.
And how do you represent it?
Circle -2 and the arrow to the end.
Left or right?
Right.
Yes. And believe it or not, this is the beginning of graphical inequalities. If this had been greater than or equal to, then this would be a filled in circle.
All right.
It's not or equal to, so it's not. Okay, what inequality is represented here?
X equals below 4.
No.
X equals above -4.
Yeah, x is greater than -4, and so that's
Yeah.
pointing. That's pointing to the right. This is pointing to the right. Okay. Any idea how you draw this?
You would do a dot above 3, and you do a filled in dot.
Mm-hmm.
You do a circle above -2, and you do a line connecting them.
Well done. That's it. That's great. Okay, what is the top one?
X equals greater than -3 and lesser than or equal to 4.
4, and so, yeah, less than or equal to 4, and so we just put x between them. I think you're good. Okay, now we're getting to this 2 lines. X plus y is greater than 1. How would we draw that, do you know?
Would it be a diagonal line?
Yeah.
All right, so it's x plus y is less than 1.
Greater than.
Oh yeah, sorry. I'm not sure.
So what might be easiest is if you do x plus y equals 1. And so two numbers that add to make 1.
1, 0.
So you've got 1, 0. Another pair.
-1 and 2.
That's very good. So we could put 1, 0 would be here. -1, 2 would be here. So we know it's linear. And so we only need 2 points. And so we connect these with a dotted line because it's not or equal to. If it was or equal to, x plus y is greater than or equal to 1, it would be filled line.
All right.
And that's what it looks like. So in general, you do x plus y equals 1, and then you just see is it a filled line, dotted line. But hold on, shade the region where x plus y is greater than 1. Any idea how you do that? What region is x plus y greater than 1?
The right side of the line.
Yeah. You can always take an example to help yourself. Where is x plus y greater than 1? You could take an example of 3, 4. 3 plus 4 is much greater than 1. 3, 4 is up here. And so all in this region is going to be greater than 1. And all down here will be less than 1, like -2, -3, stuff like that. So one mark for x plus y equals 1 is drawn for a region shaded above their line. For the region shaded above the line. Didn't even ask for dotted line. Okay. Okay. They drew 2 lines for us. They want us to shade in this region.
Y is greater than x minus 2.
Yeah. So y is greater than x minus 2. So this is the line y equals x minus 2. So what we can do is we can delete out the bits we don't need. So we want y is greater than x minus 2. So how would you delete y is less than x minus 2?
Say y is greater than x plus 2.
No. Or where is y? So this is the line y equals x minus 2.
Mm-hmm.
Where is y greater than x minus 2? Or if you want, you can kind of pick an example. Like what is an x coordinate? What is a y coordinate? That would make y bigger than x minus 2.
9, 10.
X, so 9 minus 2 is 7. Yeah, so 9, 10. So let's say 9 across, 10 up. Okay, so that's the bit we want to keep. So which bit are we deleting?
The area on the right.
Yeah, so we're kind of deleting less than that. The y coordinate would be less than x minus 2. Because it's under the line. Okay, how about this one? X plus y is less than 10. So we have x plus y equals 10, the other line. So let's delete the bit we don't need. We want x plus y is less than 10.
Would it be the top triangle?
Yep. Up there, x plus y is greater than 10. And you can see like the coordinate we did was up there, 9 and 10, 19 is greater than 10. We want less than. And then this last bit we have to do ourselves. X is greater than 3. What would we do about that?
Greater than 3. Would it be like a straight down line?
Yeah. Goes through the x coordinate. Okay, x-axis at 3. Which bit of that are we deleting?
The left side.
Very good. That's where x is less than 3. X is 0, x is 1, x is 2, x is 1.5. And so it says mark with a cross like that each of the points with integer coordinates that are in the region. And so where would I mark with a cross? What coordinates? Integer coordinates.
11, 8.
11, 8 is up here. Is that what you mean?
Yeah.
No. So what we have left is this region that wasn't deleted.
Oh, right. 4, 4.
Very good. 4, 4. What else?
4, 5.
Yep.
5, 4.
Yeah.
4, 3.
Well done. And if they had done their lines properly, like we did, they would have dotted lines, and we would know you can't put an X on a dotted line. If it was or equal to, then we could put a cross on it, but it's not included, and so it's not a solution. And so if I just go back a second, a bit like this one, -1, 0, and 1, you needed numbers that satisfied both of those inequalities. Here we needed a pair of numbers that satisfied all three, and that's what we found. And if you check, let's check with one of our ones. Let's say 5, 4. For the coordinate 5, 4, is y greater than x minus 2?
Yes.
Yep. Is x plus y less than 10?
Yep.
Yeah. And is x greater than 3?
Yep.
Yes. And so that's true for only those 4 integer coordinates. Well done. 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 4. That's a 3 marker. Okay, so this one, it drew on 2 lines for you. This one doesn't help you at all. So how do we do this?
X plus y equals less than 6. We will draw the line.
Mm-hmm.
And it will start in the bottom left corner.
Right. So I would draw the line x plus y equals 6. That's like the critical line. How do you draw that?
You would draw it. Oh, it would go through. All right. 5 and 5, 1.
Yeah.
2, 4.
2, 4. That's all you need. And what might be the easiest two would be 6, 0, and 0, 6. Not necessarily, but they seem easy enough. Okay. How about the other ones?
The other ones.
The other two.
X is greater than -1 would be x is smaller than -1 would be a straight line through -1x.
Okay, and the other one?
Would be a straight line through x equals 2.
What way is the line going?
Y equals 2. Would be a straight line through y 2.
Yeah, on the y-axis 2. Okay, what is next?
you would mark the bottom region R.
What is the bottom region? There's lots of regions.
Uh, the one that contains 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4.
This one in here, is it?
Yeah.
Let me see. So.
Oh wait, no. Y is greater than 2, so it would be
So it has to be greater than
the
2.
triangle in the middle.
So it looks like that one is R. Yep, well done. That's a triangle in the middle. That's a 4 marker. Well done. So you get 1 mark for each line and then 4th mark for the R. You did that pretty well.
Thank you.
This one's a bit different, but are you sure you needed help with these?
I just wanted to understand the topic really.
Okay. This one looks very similar. I think you'll be fine. How do you draw the middle one?
Y is greater than 2x. Uh, One of the points would be a 3. 1, 3.
Nope.
Y is greater than 2x.
So yeah, but you would draw the critical line of y equals 2x.
I'm not sure.
So when x is 1,
X is 1, Y is 3.
that would be if it was greater than. If it was equal,
Oh, X 1, Y would be 2.
yeah. I'd say pick one more.
When X is 2, Y is 4.
Yeah, 2, 4. Okay, and you might find it easier if they're spaced out a bit. But it's all good. It's all good. So you always draw the critical one, and the reason for that is because, let's say this one, y is greater than 3. That includes 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.01. It's just that we don't, for the purposes of an exam, they just say pick just the integers. But in reality, like 3.1 is bigger than 3. And so we don't use 3, 4, 5. We do the critical line of exactly y equals 2x. Okay, I think that's all right. How would you draw this one?
It would go through 1, 2.
1, 2, yeah.
It would go through 2, 5.
Well done. It's a straight line, so we only need 2 points. What's the difference with this one? It's less than or equal to.
Not sure.
Filled line.
Oh, filled line. Right.
I don't know how strict they are about that. It seems like they weren't. I thought they'd be much more strict. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Then we do the rest as normal. And so what do you give yourself for that stuff?
I would say I take mostly.
Let's see. Are these quadratic inequalities? What was I thinking doing this? Have you done quadratic inequalities?
Not at school, I don't think.
These are probably tricky. Do you know how to factorize and solve quadratics?
I think we did that before, but I've forgotten, I think.
Um, so maybe I should just leave those. Oh, it's a calculator question. Okay. So you need some kind of step. 2 minus 2. Hmm. No. These are bananas. I should probably put this in a different topic. So, no. Maybe we'll just do those other two. I'll just test what we have. I think these you're very good for. Let's just try this one.
0, -1, -2, -3, and -4.
It's fine. Okay, let's try this one down here.
Uh, 5 and 8. That's one.
Yeah, so it only wants the x values. So what
Oh,
values can x be?
5.
Yeah. Anything else?
6. Yeah, I think that's it.
Can it be 4?
No, because 4 + 9 is 13.
Yes, you're right. Yes. That's a good one. 5 and 6. Yeah, so they didn't even want the other one as well. All right. What would be this middle one?
X is greater than or equal to -2 and less than 4.
Less than 4. Yeah.
I'll go back in a second.
Okay.
All right.
Let's see. All right, let's try this one. So we did one of them. We did we did y equals 2x.
Y is greater than 3. It would be a line going through a y3 horizontally. Yeah.
So that's y equals 3.
And x plus y is less than 7. Well, it will go through 1, 6. I'll go through 2 and 4. Oh no, x plus y it wouldn't be 1, 6 then.
You would draw the critical line, which would be x plus y is equal to 7.
Oh, all right. 2 and 5 then.
Yeah, and I'm going to make my life easy and say 7 and 0, and 0 and 7. And because they're far apart, it makes it a bit easier to draw. When they're very close together, it can be more challenging. Okay, label the region R.
B less than 3, lesser than 2x, and less than 7. Would it be the region in the bottom left corner?
Let's see. Bottom left corner down here, is it?
Yeah.
What is the y value down there?
The y value of that is 2.
And so we need...
Oh, I keep mixing up the signs. It will be the one above that then.
Here.
Yep.
Let me see. X plus y is less than 7. Y has to be less than 2x. So we said 1, 2 is in the region, or is on the cusp of the region. 2, 4. Okay, delete the region for that we don't need for this one. So delete y is greater than 2x.
Hey, my computer ran out of battery. I'm sorry.
Yeah, all right. So delete out the bit where y is greater than 2x.
Yeah, out the bit that y is greater than 2x.
So this is the line y equals 2x. Where is y greater than 2x? And we'll delete that.
On the right of that line.
Out over here?
No, all of it.
Nope.
Oh, really?
That would be y is less than 2x. So choose an example where y is greater than 2x. Like an example coordinate.
3, 2.
So
where y is greater. It'll be 3-1. I mean 1-3.
So 1-3, 1-3. So this is in the region that we want to delete.
Right. So the left side would be.
So this is all deleted out. And so what is the region that we're keeping for all three? Do you know?
Would it be the small region in the center?
Yeah, and I can tell you it's almost always the small region in the center.
Right.
Okay, let's finish this one.
Right. Y is greater than or equal to 4x minus x. Y is equal to 4 minus x. It's 1-4.
Okay.
That's one.
So do the critical line. So like y equals 4 minus x.
Y equals 4 minus x. That would be 6-2.
So 6. When x is 6, you'd get minus 2. It'd be 6 minus 2.
Oh, all right.
You can always pick easy numbers like x is 0 or something.
Oh, yeah. 0, 4.
Yeah. So 0, 4 is there. Or thereabouts. Okay, we're missing one line.
Would be 1-3.
What is that line for?
That is y is equal to 4 minus x.
So we have that one.
3-1. Oh, the next one. All right.
We did this one as well.
Y is equal to or less than minus 1. So start -1. -1y.
Yeah, minus 1 on the y. Mark this region with the letter R.
Less than or equal to 3. Would it be the small triangle in the middle?
I believe so. And that's because that's under the second one, under the third one. So less than the second, less than the third, and bigger than the first above it. Yes, that's it. And you can always sub in a coordinate to check. Like, what coordinate is in there? 2, 2. What's weird is like it's or equal to.
Yeah, so it could be all the ones on the line as well.
So it could be on the line, yeah, like 1, 2, that type of stuff. That's why they used R. And so that stuff in general, what do you give yourself?
I would say a tick.
That's
I
good.
think I got most. I might need to revise a bit on them there.
I think just drawing the lines is a tricky bit. Yeah, how was that for you, Jad?
It was good. Yeah, I'm really sorry about last time. I need
Alright.
to remember things a bit more.
You can do, well, whatever. Any topic in particular you want to do next time?
No, but I might by the time.
Okay.
Well, thank you. Bye-bye.
Alright, have a good week, Jad. Goodbye.